Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, guys, we learn about the particle mode of matter, the university particle model. The particle model of matter. Matter is everything. Matter is everything that has mass and occupies space. Living things or non-living things are example of matter. What make you met up matter? The ancient Greek philosopher Democritus hypothesized that all matter is made up of tiny discrete particles too small to be seen. He named this invisible particle atoms from the Greek word atomos. Okay, Greek word atomos, which means indivisible. The, this question is very MCQs. Is more in which paper. Another ancient Greek philosopher, Aristotle, hypothesized that matter has a continuous composition which can always be broken down into smaller and smaller pieces. Who was right, Democritus or Aristotle? Let us look at two phenomena: Bro- Brownian's motion and diffusion, which will provide us with evidence as to which hypothesis was correct. Brownian motion. In 1827, a Scottish botanist, Robert Brown, used a microscope to observe some pollen grains in water. He found that the pollen grains were moving about in the water haphazardly. This haphazard movement was called Brownian motion after Robert Brown. What would have caused the pollen grains in the water to move about continuously in a random manner? So next page, Albert Einstein. About 8 years after Robert Brown observation, another scientist, Albert Einstein, explained that the random motion of the pollen grains in water was caused by tiny water particles which were moving in constant and random motion, bombarding or hitting the pollen grains in different directions. Hence, Brownian motion can be explained by thinking of matter as being made up of tiny discrete particles which are moving constantly and randomly. Okay, diffusion. Diffusion is the who is it possible to smell the fragrance of perfume when someone spray the perfume some distance away from you on a non-windy day. Okay, diffusion. And the random movement will result in the particles spreading out from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. This phenomenon is called diffusion.